You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Y'all, I feel like y'all cricket. Hold on. I gotta fix y'all. I'm coming to save you. Is that better? Is that better? Y'all, at the video cricket, I'm sorry. Alright. Greetings from Beyond Beautiful People. It's Beyond Favorite, cutting at your neck again with Vlogmas day number 18. Whew. The pressure is on. And welcome to my world. You guys, look what I found. Ain't she pretty? Crunchitize me, Captain. Alright, so you guys, we're going to be having Captain Crunch Christmas edition. I'm excited. I'm really excited, y'all. I like Captain Crunch, bro. I really do. Alright, so in this video, you guys, we're just going to be having a little sit down, little topic. The topic of discussion is going into the new year single or going into the new year in a relationship with baggage. Alright? So, let's talk about it. I prefer, if I'm going to go into the new year, I'd rather go into the new year with an open mind, you know? Clear-headed, you know? Okay, gotta check the expiration date. Yeah, I just rather go into the new year stress-free. You go into the new year stress-free, your life is just better that way. Your start to a new year is better. I prefer not to go. Now, if you're in a relationship and you're happy and you're making each other's day and you're just like, you're that couple, you're that vibe, you know? Kudos to you, motherfucker. I'm still trying to find that. But, oh my God. This is the berry edition. But I guess the berries are like color coded different. I don't know, but I know the berry edition when I taste the berry edition. Y'all, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. Y'all want some? Nope. Hold on. Eating all my shit. But going into the new year happy, with stability, you got somebody to hold you down financially, you're holding them down financially, word is bond, loyalty is bond. But I'm jumping like Captain Save-A-Ho for my woe. What you talking about? It's hard to find that shit. Everybody fucking everybody nowadays. Shit's terrible. And then the motherfuckers that you fuck, excuse my language, be introduced by your by your partner, your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Y'all set yourself up for that shit. We meet your no. She don't come out. She don't come out. She don't come out at all. What you and your big got nothing. She a loner. Damn, it's like y'all. Ain't you having to cook out yet? Can I get nope? Why? Because you a fucking dog. I know you. Y'all gotta watch and be careful who y'all bring around y'all significant others. That should be something, man. I just seen on the internet that everybody is calling it quits. Everybody's calling it quits. And maybe this is like the off break season. Maybe this is like the off break season to where they're trying to find themselves for the new year. Maybe not, but everyone that parted ways ended up with someone who was in the same circle. Wicked. Wicked! The way I see it, I just may be single for the rest of my damn life. And I'm okay with that. Give me a little dog. That be my best goddamn friend. Buddy, come on, buddy. For real shit. It comes with too much. And oh my God. Don't be a baby daddy, baby mama. Nothing wrong with it, because we have some good baby daddy and baby mama relationships out here. But don't be the other side. Oh my God, bro. They be really wanting to fuck each other low key, but they have so much goddamn animosity towards each other. And I done seen this shit so many times on the internet and shit. Shit be crazy. Shit be crazy. If I get a baby mama, if I get a baby mama, boy, it be some settlements. If we gonna get married, what we gonna do? But we ain't shacking up with a cub. No offense to it. I just wasn't raised that way. But hey, plenty of people in my family did it without being married, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it. But it's my personal preference. Shit. I gotta get back in the gym. This shit right here, I will eat this whole goddamn box, you guys. But unfortunately, it's over. I want more. Anyway, guys, that is going to do it. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you guys can know when I post another video. But until next time, Vlogmas day number 19. I'm sorry, you guys. It just ran across my mind like, wow, we are almost pushing 20 days of Vlogmas. That is insane. I've never done this before. And shouts out to you guys. I see the views coming in. You guys, all right, really quick. I have something very, 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 very special planned for tomorrow's vlog. It's something that I've never done before. And it's happening tomorrow on this channel. It's a surprise. So you gotta come back tomorrow to see what that surprise is. Promise me you'll come back. Promise. I ain't hear you say promise. Let me get that pinky, bro. Let me get that pinky. Alright. Alright. Pinky promise. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, you guys. Come back tomorrow. I'm doing something very special for you guys. Just come back tomorrow, you guys. I don't want to say too much. All right. That is going to do it, you guys. Again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you guys can know when I post another video. Until next time, you guys, I'm Beyond Favorite, signing out. Peace.